Ever since ancient times, our ancestors have gazed at the sky with wonder, trying to understand the movement of celestial objects and phenomena taking place. These observations were the beginning of human endeavor to understand the universe. Over thousands of years, many astronomers over the world, like Ptolemy, Copernicus, Galileo, Kepler, Hubble, and many others, have immensely contributed to develop our understanding of the universe. India too has had a strong tradition in astronomy. Aryabhatta, Brahmagupta, Varahmihira, Bhaskaracharya have contributed to develop our understanding of the universe. In more recent times, Savai Jai Singh too in 1728 constructed 5 observatories in the Indian cities of Delhi, Jaipur, Ujjain, Mathura, and Varanasi. On October 4, 1957, the Soviet Union was the first to launch an Earth-orbiting artificial satellite, Sputnik 1. Less than a month later, the Soviets followed it up with the launch of Sputnik 2, which carried a dog-named Laika on board for orbiting around the Earth. The US Army launched Explorer 1 satellite in January 31, 1958. In April 1961, Yuri Gagarin of Russia became the first man to orbit Earth. In 1969, one small step by Neil Armstrong onto the lunar surface truly became a giant leap for the mankind. With this, the efforts by the human race to enter and study the final frontier found a new pace. While superpowers were competing in the space race for military uses, in early 60s, Dr. Vikram Sarabhai laid the blueprint of Indian space program, which mainly focused on the use of space technology for the benefit of the common man. With the operationalization of the PSLV in 1997, the capability of launching a payload of reasonable size into space was attained. With these capabilities in place, the nation was now getting ready to join other developed nations for space exploration missions. Launched by the PSLV in October 2008, Chandrayaan-1 was India's first space exploration mission to the moon. The mission had specific objectives of preparing a 3-dimensional atlas of both near and far side of the moon, along with mapping the lunar surface for the distribution of minerals and chemicals. Discovery of water in trace forms was one of the greatest achievements of Chandrayaan-1 mission. November 5, 2013 was a historic day when India's Mars Orbiter mission, popularly known as MOR, and also Mangalyaan, began its long journey to Mars. By carrying out many breathtaking maneuvers and consuming minimum energy, the spacecraft accurately navigated 667 million kilometers in a curved path under the influence of Sun's gravity and intersected the Martian orbit in about 9 months. On September 24, 2014, Team Isro successfully inserted MOR into the Martian orbit by slowing it down. With this, India became the first nation in the world to successfully reach Mars in its maiden attempt. This success brought us recognition as a scientifically advanced nation. Observing the universe from the Earth also provides wealth of information to the astronomers. However, the atmospheric haze places restriction on the quality of observations. India launched a space observatory Astrosat in 2015. This is also an Earth orbiting observatory with payloads capable of simultaneously observing the universe in the visible, ultraviolet and X-ray regions of the electromagnetic spectrum. Chandrayaan-2 mission, a much advanced version of the previous Chandrayaan-1 mission, is configured as a two-module system comprising of an orbiter craft module and a lander named Vikram. The lander will carry a rover named Pragya, which will be deployed to move around on lunar surface. Soon, Indian space travelers will start entering the final frontier of space through our own human spaceflight mission, Gaganyaan. In this, housed in a crew module, 3 Indian Yonauts will be sent into space to an altitude of 400 kilometers. A man-rated GSLV Mark III vehicle will launch an Earth orbiter into space from SDSC Shah. In the CARE mission launched in 2014, a crew module was taken into space. It later re-entered the atmosphere. And safely recovered from sea. Many phenomena on Earth, as well as in space and other planets, are driven by dynamics of the Sun. It is thus crucial to closely study and understand its behavior. Aditya L1 mission for studying the solar upper atmospheric dynamics is another upcoming Indian exploration mission. In this, the ever-reliable PSLV will initially place the spacecraft in a near-Earth elliptical orbit. After a series of Earth burns, the spacecraft will leave the Earth orbit and begin its journey towards the Lagrangian point L1, which is 1.5 million kilometers away from Earth. This is a location where the combined gravitational forces of Sun and Earth permits a spacecraft to orbit around it, from where it will observe the Sun. There are many who question our nation's endeavor in space exploration. According to one of the most enlightened physicists of the recent times, Dr. Stephen Hawking, in order to survive, human race has to leave the planet Earth and find new homes in this vast universe, as Earth will have become uninhabited not too far in the future. Thus, the time for achieving this feat is limited, and our future generations will not forgive us if we did not take steps to achieve this, even when we had the capability. Exploration of space is thus not a matter of choice, but a compulsion for the mankind.